Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Cosmic Chick, or welcome to my channel for those of you that are checking out one of my videos for the first time. So what I'm going to be doing today is whipping this hair up into a bubble ponytail. And I just want to thank all of you guys that have checked out my videos, liked, subscribed, comment, or any of that. I really appreciate it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And I also call it the Princess Jasmine ponytail as well. So here is what you'll need. I am naturally 4C, so the left side of my hair is what it looked like once I blow dried it, and the right side is me straightening it just a little bit. When I do these ponytail styles, I like to straighten my hair out just a little bit so that it blends better with the overall look. Okay, so to begin, I just started by brushing all of my hair upwards into a ponytail to the center. And then I went back over it with my hard brush. Then I took some of my Softy Extra Hold styling gel and started to apply it around the entire perimeter of my hair. And I take the gel and go ahead and apply it all around. Now I don't like to get it near my edge line, only because when I go to lay my baby hairs down, I use a different kind of gel. So if you are not concerned about that, then you would probably just go ahead and get your entire head, including your hairline. But if you're like me and want to lay down your baby hairs, then try to leave your edge line dry for now. Secure it with a ponytail holder. And then I just simply went back over it with my hard brush to make sure that any loose hairs were securely in place. So now I'll go ahead and begin working on those baby hairs, and I like to take my toothbrush and just brush down the hairs that I'm going to be slicking. Now I'm going to take my Got2b glue gel, and one step at a time I'm going to apply it on the piece of hair that I'll be working on, and then I'll just go ahead and form it into my baby hair. And just do each of your sections of baby hairs into your desired style. So I'm gonna apply my scarf just to make sure that all of the hairs are laid down as much as possible. Now time for the ponytail, and I use this pack of Motown Tress jumbo braid. So I kind of just teased a few hairs out of place towards the bottom so that it's not just so straight across at the very end of the ponytail. So then you'll just securely place your braiding hair onto your real ponytail. And go ahead and brush in your natural hair to blend with the braiding hair. Then I took a piece of the braiding hair and I'm going to leave that out so that I could wrap that around the tip of the ponytail and give it a more natural look. Now I am ready to add on the rubber bands. I had to grab some scissors to open up the pack. And this part can be a little frustrating because you're trying to secure a rubber band around all of this braiding hair and it tends to get a little tangly while you're trying to do it. But I use these really elastic rubber bands so that you only have to put it around the hair one time and then move to the next bubble. But the thing is, they're really elastic, so they will pop easily. So just be careful when you're doing this part. So if it gets caught in the rubber band, just go back over the hair with your wig brush and brush it out. And move to your next bubble. See, they pop really easily, but just grab another one and keep going. I was brushing the hair out just to keep it uniform, and one of the rubber bands popped above the one that I was working on. So yeah, these rubber bands, they're really elastic but pop so easy. But I just went ahead and reapplied the rubber band back into place. And I just evened up the hair a little bit. Now I'll go ahead and take this piece and wrap it around the root of the ponytail. And I took a little bit of the Softy Black gel and just put it on there just to make this piece's texture as smooth as possible, and went over it with my hard brush. And then I just began to wrap the piece into place. And it's this little tiny piece of hair left, and I just wrap that until there's nothing left to wrap. And boom, secure. So now I'm gonna apply this artistic wire onto each of the bubbles. I take a piece, cut it, and just wrap it around where any one of those rubber bands you applied earlier is at, into a circular motion until there is just no more wire. Just bend it closed, and here you go. And just do this for every bubble. So cute. And then I just wanted to make mine a little puffier, so I just tugged on them just a little bit to release the puffiness. And last, I just applied some more of the wire to the root of the ponytail, but be careful because it did loosen up some of my natural hair. I love it. And I hope you guys really like it too. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to get back with you and answer any of those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys.